Good day once again, my highly esteemed viewers. You are welcome back to class. My name remains Israel. Today we'll be taking this look at the second part of your forthcoming exam, which is SWOT analysis, also known as qualitative analysis. Remember, in our previous video, which you should go and view or go and watch if you are not done so, we talked about quantitative analysis, also known as titration. Yes. So today we're having a look at qualitative analysis. Remember, this is just a guide to direct you how you are going to go about the practicals. More videos. I don't want to have repetition because I already done a lot of videos on all these aspects. If you follow those videos, you never fail out. Remember, in 2025, we did 4 videos covering this SWOT analysis and titration. Go through them yourself. That being said, my WhatsApp number still remains this. If you are interested in online lesson, SS1, SS2, SS3, kindly WhatsApp me, have a little talk. Remember, the money is not going to be very big like that. It's just a token change, just a small money. So, small amount, actually. So, let's go to the topic, qualitative analysis. In qualitative analysis, what you need to do, I'm just going to reviewing it, the real video which you need to really go through so that you can understand it properly. We can understand it more, actually, is in my previous video. I have about 4 videos, even more. Just scroll through all of them. You see this kind of question. Life practicals are also there. Let them guide you. So you have a test, observation, draw a table like this, inference. These are the ideal way to draw a table. Don't just write it down. Even they start deducting marks unnecessarily. So the sort they are going to give to you, they may tell you, remember this not nobody's have seen the question. I'm just trying to guide you. If the salt you are giving, they said add water and stir. Follow strictly what they said. Don't the one you bring outside and just paste it. May not be the same. So you say salt plus water, stir. So if the salt dissolves, that you don't see any fragment under, you say salt dissolves in water. That's first one. You now check the color to give the colorless solution. You see it, dissolve, colorless solution, 2 marks there. They now say soluble salt is present, or salt, so and so sample, so and so is a soluble salt. Assuming you add it and did not dissolve in water, or these are in my previous video, did not dissolve, you say salt did not dissolve in water. But you cannot say it did not dissolve in water because some part of it has already dissolved. So you say salt dissolves partially in water. So the salt contains soluble and insoluble salt is present. So that's how it is. You don't just say salt does not dissolve, or salt does not dissolve in water. It dissolves partially. You just I didn't see very well. So in which case they not tell you to filter. Salt dissolve partially in water. Then that you don't just stop there. You now see colorless. When you now filter, you see colorless filtrate. Maybe blue residue or white residue. You see it. So those are the ways you can tackle the first part. Make sure you follow the instructions. Don't just imagine it. Just follow the instructions strictly. That is all about practical chemistry. You want to pass, follow the instructions strictly. Then again, they may not even tell you that. They will tell you to add acid. Maybe HCl, whichever HNO3, whichever acid. You now see rushing gas. You now see vigorous effervescence. 1 mark. Of a colorless and odorless gas. Another mark. If the gas have odor, you perceive it, like smell of ammonia, smell of SO2 gas, you perceive it immediately. Then under it, you have to give the lime water test. That's the only confirmatory test that's acceptable in secondary school. Gas turns lime water milky. CO2 gas is confirmed. For the colorless and odorless gas, CO2 from CO3 to minus suspected. You're always suspecting. So that is how that one is. Then again, please follow the instructions strictly. If you have any question, you can WhatsApp me. You can, apart from WhatsApp, you can just use the comment section. Please don't forget that. Any question I have, use the comment section. So these are how the questions pattern may likely take. Remember also, if you are giving the last instruction I will give to you, if you are giving a litmus paper to do, they say test with litmus paper. If you are testing with litmus paper, don't just use red and run away. You have to use the 2 litmus paper. Instead, they specified use blue litmus paper. So if you are using litmus paper, you say the solution or gas turns blue litmus paper to red. But if you put blue litmus paper, then they still not mark it for you like that. See, solution turns damp. You see it? Wet blue litmus paper to red, or turns wet red litmus paper to blue, so that you can be on the safe side and get your full mark. If it turns it to red, you know it's acidic. If you turn it to blue, you know it's alkaline. And usually in your secondary school, ammonia gas is only alkaline gas, no, for secondary school. So that's how it's going to be. So please go through my videos, about 4 videos, my previous recordings, and it will do you well. Again, if you have questions you want to ask, I said before, go through my comment section, put in the comment section, I will answer you. God bless you. I wish you best of luck.